हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। आइए नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं, आर फेस्टिवल्स। डाइव इन, व्हाट इज कुंभ मेला एंड नेम टू फेस्टिवल्स दैट यू सेलिब्रेट एट होम। जान लेते हैं कि आज हम क्या सीखने जा रहे हैं। इन लेसन व्यू we will learn about national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. रेडी हैं आप सब? आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। India is a land of festivals. Festivals are a time of joy and celebrations. We celebrate many festivals with our family and friends. Different festivals are celebrated at different times of the year. There are three types of festivals celebrated in India: national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. National festivals. There are some festivals that are celebrated by people all over the country. These are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, this is celebrated on 15th August every year. India gained her independence from the British on this day in the year 1947. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister raises the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. This is celebrated on 26th January every year. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. The national flag is unfurled and the national anthem is sung. आपको अच्छा लगता है national anthem गाना? The President of India takes the salute at the Grand Parade in New Delhi. Many people take part in the parade. जो parade होती है उसमें बहुत सारे लोग part लेते हैं. Let's talk about Gandhi Jayanti now. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year and it is the birthday of father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who is known as he is Mahatma Gandhi and known as father of the nation. It is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. On this day, people go to Rajghat and pay their homage to him. Let's talk about religious festivals now. India is a land of many religions. These are Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Parsis and Jains. People of all these religions have their special days which they celebrate. Holi, this is a festival of colors. It is celebrated in spring when flowers start to bloom. जब फूल खिलने शुरू होते हैं. On Holi, people put gulal or colored powder or and sprinkle colored water on each other from pichkaris. Diwali, this is the festival of lights and it celebrates the victory of God over evil. People light their houses with diyas and candles to welcome Lakshmi and goddess of wealth. ये बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत है, राइट? और हम अपने घरों को दियों से सजाते हैं, कैंडल से सजाते हैं और माँ लक्ष्मी जो धन की देवी हैं उनकी पूजा करते हैं. On this day, people distribute sweets and gifts, visit each other and burn crackers. मस्ती करते हैं ना crackers चलाते हुए. Eid. This is an important festival of Muslim. People fast for 1 month before this day and this holy month of fasting is called Ramadan. People break their fast when they see the new moon and people offer prayers at the mosque. Special food is cooked and offered to visitors. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Guru Purab. This is the festival which is celebrated to mark the birthday of first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev. Sikhs decorate their houses with lights and people go to Gurudwaras and offer prayers and services. Christmas, this is the festival celebrated on 25th December every year to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. On Christmas Eve, people attend the Christmas Mass at the church. Yes, उनके यहाँ पे चर्च में प्रेयर होती है, वो अटेंड करने के लिए सब लोग वहाँ जाते हैं. They decorate the Christmas tree. Children believe that Santa Claus comes on Christmas Eve and gives presents to them. आप भी यही बिलीव करते हैं कि Santa Claus आएंगे और आपको गिफ्ट दे के जाएंगे? Harvest festivals. A harvest festival is an annual celebration which occurs around the time of the main harvest of a given region. Many harvest festivals are celebrated in India. Pongal. People of Tamil Nadu celebrate Pongal and rice is cooked in milk on this day. On this day, cows are bathed and worshipped. उनकी पूजा होती है. Onam, this is the people from Kerala and celebrate Onam. Onam is the festival of flowers. King Mahabali is worshipped on this day. उनकी पूजा होती है किंग महाबली की. People decorate elephants and take out processions. Exciting snake boat races are held. बहुत मजा आता है इन रेसेस में. Bihu. People from Assam celebrate Bihu, and people celebrate this festival at 3 different times of the year: winter, spring and autumn. This festival is marked by feast and bonfires. Right? Try this. Look at the pictures given below and write the names of the festivals below each pictures. Glossary. Unfold to open something that was rolled tightly. Harvest to gather a crop when it is ripe. Procession, a number of people, vehicles, etc. that move slowly in a line. Quick recall. Festivals are the time of joy and celebrations. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Holi is the festival of colors. Diwali is the festival of lights. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthday of first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev. Pongal, Onam and Bihu are some harvest festivals. Practice time, fun time. Take the correct option. India is a land of festivals. Do all likewise. Fill in the blanks. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, do all. Match the columns. Beta, look at the pictures and match them with their celebrations. Answer the following questions. आपको इन questions के answers को अपनी notebook में लिखना है. Okay, 1 or 2 lines में आंसर दीजिए. Take the help of your chapter like what are the religious festival. कौन कौन से religious festival हैं? कोई भी 3 religious festivals के नाम देंगे. Likewise, you have to read all and do them in your notebook. Creative pack. What's which festival is called the festivals of light and how do people celebrate it? Subject enrichment. Paste a picture of Mahatma Gandhi and also write 5 sentences on him. Subject interlinking. Prepare a project on harvest festivals of India and show it to your class teacher. Values. We should respect each other's religion and not make fun of anybody's festival. Yes बच्चों, हमें हमेशा हर एक के फेस्टिवल का रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. हमें हर एक को एक जैसा समझना चाहिए. हम लोग रिलीजन से अलग हो सकते हैं लेकिन हम सबको मजहब यही सिखाता है. हमारा रिलीजन जो हम जिसको भी मानते हैं वो यही सिखाता है कि हमें एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार से रहना चाहिए. और अगर हम प्यार से रहें तो हमें खुश रहना चाहिए और हैव फन, एंजॉय.